All right, welcome back everyone and good Sunday morning. We have one more day in the weekend, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Outside, satellite and radar, keeping an eye on some low-level clouds, some fog developing largely for the east side of the viewing area. If we zoom out, we can get a good idea of what's going on. Number one, this is the system that moved through our neck of the woods yesterday, now impacting the Gulf states far to the southeast. Look at Tennessee, completely covered in precipitation, rain, snow, ice, you name it. And that's leaving skies here in northeast Kansas on the clear side, or at least expected to be clear a little bit later today. Snowfall totals outside yesterday. Lawrence, the big winner, 4.5 inches, 3.4 for Topeka, 2.3 for Mayetta, then just a little bit less out west as expected. But overall, totals came in right about where they should be, so some good news right there. Live look outside Lawrence. We are off to a foggy start this morning. Light winds in place, clear skies overhead. Emporia, very similar conditions, foggy skies out there. You can see those street lights really helping illuminate those conditions, and more visibility concerns across the area. Again, largely for the eastern portion of the viewing area, down to less than a mile visibility for Topeka, about a half-mile visibility for both Lawrence, Burlington, as well as Emporia. So if you happen to be in those areas, give yourself a little extra time. Those light winds in place really helping keep those conditions in place. About 5 to 10 miles an hour, a little bit further west. Faster wind speeds helping keep that fog at bay. But notice the east-southeast side of the viewing area, those wind speeds are generally a little bit less, and that fog is able to stay in place. Now temperatures definitely on the cooler side, about 20 degrees for Topeka. Starting to get a little bit of a wind chill in there. Feels like 11 outside with a light breeze about 6 miles an hour. Here's what more temperatures feel like around the viewing area. 8 for both Clay Center and Manhattan, 1 for Junction City, 13 for Emporia this morning, and 10 for Lawrence. So no matter where you are, an extra layer will definitely help you out this morning. Gloves, hats, you name it, the more the merrier. By this afternoon, upper 30s, mostly lower 40s are expected, especially the further west you head. Middle to upper 40s, even some lower 50s looking possible by about 3 or 4 o'clock today. And if you're heading to the Chiefs game tonight, notice all this blue hanging out towards the east over here. We're expecting some much cooler temperatures out at Arrowhead, so be sure to bundle up if you're heading out there to tailgate or to attend the game. Temperatures early tomorrow morning, lower to middle 20s will be expected. And then by the afternoon, look at this, a nice little warm up, more 40s expected. If not, lower 50s looking a little bit more likely for portions of the western viewing area. So both today, tomorrow, and Tuesday, generally expecting a nice warming trend to take place. The next 12 hours, though, specifically for the morning, our wind chill values will be in the lower 10s, warming up to those lower 20s. Even by the afternoon, we're still going to feel like it in the lower 30s for a good majority of the day. So we'll be seeing some more sun, and the winds will be nice and calm, but it's still going to be a little bit on the cool side. Future track showing us mostly sunny skies through about 10, 11 o'clock today, all the way through lunchtime, early afternoon, mostly clear conditions. A few clouds move in for the evening hours, and then early tomorrow morning, looks like some more low-level clouds should be developing before clear skies once again take over on Monday afternoon. Our Chiefs football game, we're watching kickoff, 7:15, will be cold, 32 degrees, and it's not going to go anywhere. Winds out of the northwest about 5 to 10 miles an hour. We are watching a nice little warm-up through Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Look at Tuesday, 55 degrees. It's going to be a nice day to get outside, maybe wash your car. Another cold front moves through on Wednesday, and that cooler air sticks around pretty much the rest of the week. Lower 40s by Saturday.